Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips TK4206 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily check and access user manual. At first, open your web browser. Here search for Philips TK4206 user manual, and as you can see, the first website is our user manual for our headphones. Now, as you can see, some document is downloaded. We have to tap open, and this is our user manual. Don't worry, this is the same headphone that is here, but this is pink and this is blue. It doesn't matter. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.